This year at Impact Christian Center, get ready to experience moments of transformation, restoration, and much more. Glorious moments in the presence of God. Don't miss a must-attend event for all women, the Khayil Women's Conference. Under the theme, Bride of the King. Our speakers for Khayil 2024 are Pastor Modestine Castanou. If my life has to stop, it will stop. If people have to hate me, they will hate me, as long as I fulfill the assignment for which God has called me. Pastor Audrey, Ewolo. When I walk down the street and God tells me talk to this person, in fact there is no platform, there is no microphone, but it's the same thing. I must be able to preach the gospel at all times and in all circumstances. Pastor Yemisi, Ashimolowo.
J'ai été trahi, mais je suis debout. Vous priez maintenant.
Pastor Stephanie Ritter. God wants to come and heal you today. He is telling you, I will erase the words of the past. And Dr. Jasmin Sculark.
Step into your authority. Step into who you are. Somebody take one more step and say, I'm coming out.
Note now the dates and the venue of this event. From Wednesday, 23rd of October to Sunday, 27th of October 2024 at the Royal City. Save the dates.